Love.
You know love.
Love. Every each one of us needs love. But love doesn't necessarily mean that it comes from the partner. Love can come from family, friends, and even pets. Love has a big impact on each and every one of us because love can make you a great person. If you're loving someone, it can create you, it can create your brain to feel that you need to be a better person and improve in life because you love someone. Love is love needs to be cherished, just like every each and one of us. Love is essential for one person because if nobody loves you, you will have a problem such as your mental health might not be as stable as
Meditation. Tiger starts on the
sex education. It is one of the important, especially in our generation. Uh, because of having a sex education, we have knowledge to avoid those mistakes, especially teenage pregnancy. Teenage pregnancy. Because of those happening in our generation, we can avoid that kind of situation. Situation that we are we can avoid from that situation that will help us to improve ourselves. Family is a person or individual that we love. This is the person you can trust to, or you can stay by your side even if you're even if you have a problem or not. It is the person that's not just by God, but also with the heart. Like example, here in our classroom, we are all family because
Like for example, in the generation, we need diploma to make it defines us to be a person that are educated. Uh, even if diploma is one thing that is inevitable and fundamental for everyone. It defines us as a person that we are educated and we are the person that are expert in one thing. Like for example, us that are studying this course. Once we are graduated, we are given a diploma that signifies our expertise in this course.
Bayad ka, be. Ngayon ka na nagpalakpak, be, ah.
Advanced technology. Tiger starts now.
First of all, my name is Jobers Bahan, and also so advanced technology. When we say advanced technology, what the first thing that comes up in our mind? Advanced technology like our phone, TV, and any electronic device that use, that we might use in every day. So advanced technology like phone is very crucial to each one of us. Every day we use phone because it is essential and also convenient. So that's why we need advanced technology also in school. We use TV and we have also advanced technology like iPad that we can easily connect with Bluetooth directly and we can teach directly to the students like one of our teachers used to do. And also advanced technology improve us to be a better student.
Galing ba?
Mother. Diners are not.
Good morning, everyone.
Quiet.
Mother. What is mother for us? Mother is the person who give birth to you. Mother is important to us because mother is the one who cared when we are born, and mother is important for me because he is the one who taught me good values and lessons about life. My mother is the best mother in the world because he is there when I have a problem. He is there when I needed it the most of the time. My mother, I can say that my mother is the best mother that God gave to me.
Online modality. Diners starts now.
Modality is famous there will be face-to-face class. So, sports, modality is so that students can learn and they can enhance their knowledge. During academic, the student, all the people are not allowed to give one test because
Sa babae lang ba?
to study, so we're planning to very soon siya doing
Hashtag Ziglakas. Diners starts now.
I am ready with Ariosa. I'm here in front of you to give a knowledge about Silakas. Silakas is the most Silakas is chance to show your talent in your
Hashtag English speaking policy.
Good morning, everyone. English speaking policy is the one of policy to policy to speaking English in front of us and
policy is the most important.
No. Hashtag globalization. Timer starts now.
Globalization is one is the most important part of our global because this is the procedure how we treat our technology to other country and how we have connection to them and
Arts. Your timer starts now.
morning and gentlemen arts is one important of all because arts is to what ano ba art is for example you drawing you draw your dreams because of art your brain is disturbed. Art is important of all because art is inspired the people to see your art. Art is one important to one people to improve their life. Art is this art.
Filipino. Timer starts now.
Filipino is us. Filipino is our language. Is our language to communicate to us.
Money. Timer starts.
Money is money is used to buy all we need to our daily life. Money we use this to money is used to buy food and all we need to our daily life.
Same-sex marriage. Timer starts.
So today everyone, I bring the relation part. Hashtag same-sex marriage. Same-sex marriage is very famous nowadays because many of us are part of LGBTQ, and for me, I'm agree with same-sex marriage because And nothing throwing garbage in our society is one of the effects of water pollution. So we need to be disciplined in our society that
Hashtag Occidental Mindoro. The timer starts now.
Hashtag Occidental Mindoro. It is our province, and we need to we need to we need to promote our culture, our traditions, and other beautiful places in our province, because Occidental Mindoro has a lot of beautiful places, and we need to protect our province because
Coercive communication. Your timer starts now.
Purposive communication, we communicate with purpose. It helps us to relay our ideas message clearly because let us deliver our thoughts to another. One person to another. And because of that, we can get information from the others. Information.
This is the national animal that we only see the our dog, the Occidental Mindoro. Kangaroo is the most popular animal in this Occidental Mindoro. That kangaroo is the have black skin, have horn, we can only see in this province. This is the you see
Hashtag social media. Your timer starts now.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anis Tigasa. Hashtag social media. Social media it's promote to it's promote interconnectedness with other people. It promote good communication and have a relation with other people. It is have a good influence and bad influence. For example, it's cyberbullying and fake news.
Hashtag poverty. Your timer
Ganda ng
starts
topic.
now.
Poverty is part of becoming a teenager Poverty is
Hirapan.
poverty is poverty is the most problem in the Philippines because poverty can cause death because of unstable money. Poverty is a barrier
Your timer starts now.
Dengue outbreak is one of the things that is facing of our community. As a teenager, I have sick before, so I face those problems with having a dengue, and now I am continuing my life with pursuing my dreams and facing those problems with a healthy lifestyle, trusting God, and by the grace of God, I am now 10 years free
Hashtag believe. Your timer starts.
Sa hearing of technology courses, it is good having good communication to lead us how to be a good person and also to communicate others to spread good things and
Ma-mental block ako sa
and to avoid bad things doing to others and
Timer starts now.
now, farming is one of the most important that the other farming, one of the job that can promote rice, and farming is the legal job that raise money, especially in Occidental so farming is one of the job that remote farming is very important for
Hashtag discipline. Hashtag discipline. Your timer starts now.
discipline is one of the most important student needed to understand, because discipline helps us to improve our attitude, moral, and follow the superior. And discipline is and us and we are our future how will become yeah.
knowledge of this topic is family planning is very important to those to those family where planning your family planning is very important because I think before marriage or having a baby is very important because
Hashtag equality.
hashtag equality. Equality is the most important for everyone because equality is having equality for everyone. The way equality is we cannot discriminate the other people because of equality. And